Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about Assert Iterable Equals with a simple example. Write one test case. Void test Assert Iterable arrays dot as list. Take some numbers, random numbers. Take some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Control Alt V. Assign statement to new local variable. Arrays dot as list 2, 3, 4. Control Alt V. Replace this occurrence only. List 1, list 2. Now assertions dot assert iterable equals. What this assert iterable equals will do is it will iterate over the given expected value and the actual value deeply, and after iterating, if the given values, if both the values is same, the test will get pass. The size is same, the test will get pass. Expected is I am providing as list 1 comma list 2. Let's check, annotate this method with the rate of test. Control Alt L to format. Run. See here, the test has been passed. If we go inside the assert iterable equals, inside this is taking iterable expected, iterable actual. This iterable is an interface where it is having the iterator method. Means this will iterate over the given objects, the list. It will iterate over the corresponding list that we have provided, and after iterating, if both the expected and actual values are same, the test will get pass. Otherwise, it will get fail. Now, for suppose if I have provided the expected is with the 5 values, and if I run it again, see here, the test will get fail. Expected is 5, actual is 4. Let me get back to the previous session. How it is. If I run it again, the test will get pass. That is about the assert iterable equals with a simple example.